Alright. So we want to look at how to create a post and format it on WordPress. Earlier on, we looked at how to simply publish a post. We didn't do it formatting. So we want to look at formatting your post, making it bold, italicizing it, adding the bullets to it, adding an image to it. So of course, to start, you log into your WordPress admin dashboard, enter your login details, then you come to a screen like this. So to create the post, you click on this plus sign here. Okay, click on the plus sign. You can see post. Click on post. You want to create a new post. Click on media. You want to add an image. Click on page. You want to create an additional page. Click on user. You want to create an additional user in your blog. So click on post. So once you click on post, this is the canvas you will see. This is your WordPress editor canvas. So I'm going to paste in here a write-up to save time. Okay, so first off to start, you enter a title for the post. Okay, let's say ours is a story. So this is the title of this post we're making. A story about easy. And coffee. So this is the title of our post. Now after writing the title, the next thing to do is to write the post contents. This one up is the post title. Then this where you see type to choose a block is where you write the post content. Okay, so click on it. Alright. Okay. So you click on it and then you write what a content for the post. So what anything the post is all about, this is where you write it. So to save time, I'm simply going to paste in a story right here so that we can format it. So let me do that. Alright, this is it right here. So this is a story about Easy and coffee. Now okay. Now when you look at this, say there were two friends here. There's automatically a paragraph here you get. So let's say we want to bold this place. Easy had two brothers. So how do we make it bold to bolding in? So you will long press on it like this. You can see it, right? You long press on it, then you extend it to the right hand side. Then you click on this B sign, this B button here to bolding it. This B, you can see it stands for bolding. The I stand to italicize it. So let's click on B. All right, you can see it right. Now let's say that say Eze had two brothers, Atiku and Musa. Okay, let's say that for instance we want to number it. How do we number it? So again, you long press on the article, then you extend it downward. So you see it right. Then you click on this button at the left hand side, just underneath this plus sign, this button right here. You click on it. Then you click on list. Let's click on list. That is after the heading. All right, you see it. So that is how you make it a list. So let's come to this coffee has three sisters. Let's italicize this coffee has three sisters. So you bring your cursor down here to the place. You long press on it. Then you take it to the right. You see it right. Then where do you click on? We say B is for bold, I is for what? To italicize. You click on I this time. You see it. Of course, we can also italicize and bold it. If you want to bolding it, click on B. You see it right. Let's unbolding it. You see it right. Now, this first one, article and Misa is bulleted. Let's make this one down in number. So you take it down, click on it, long press on it, then you bring it down. You select what you want to format you get. So the thing you need to formalize what you select. So you know where to click right this place here. Like underneath this blue plus sign, click on it. You click on list again. You see it. There, remember we want to make it numbers. We want it to be numbered, not bulleted like the first one. So when you click on this, you can see 1, 2, right? After this black square shape here, to the right side you see a symbol they want to do. Click on it. You see it, right? Remember that this icon will only come up when you click on list. You understand? Alright, so now we have done what? We have bolded our text. So if for example that you want to make a quote, maybe you are in the news niche and you want to quote what someone said, or you have a WhatsApp group where you want to be sending updates to your members and you want them to join that group, you understand? So you can still put the WhatsApp a link in a quote box. So how do you do it? As usual, you highlight what you want to quote. Okay, let's say you want to quote from adventure, right? Yes. So you see it right. So we want this place to be in quotes. So as usual, you will click here. Now let me run through the options for you. Now if you want to make a heading, you want the heading to be very big, you click on this heading. If you want a list, like want numbers, I want it to be bulleted, you click on list. Now if you want to quote, like I described earlier on, you click on quote. If you run a programming blog, for instance, and you want to write a code, click on code. Let's click on quote. Alright, it's quoted. So now, so you can decide how you want your code area to look like. So if you click on this, you can see the code sign, right? The code icon up here that is beneath the blue button, right? Say you click on it, you'll see something called pull quote. So let's click on pull quote. Of course, you can leave it the default, but let's click on pull quote. Alright, this is pull quote. See that this quote area now, this quote area, of course, is different from the first one. So here you write the name of the person that is talking. Let's say web home. And Ms. Webum was one that spoke this. So you can see we've made a quote here. You understand? Alright. What about if you want to add a link? Maybe you copy the that particular post of so we want to credit the original writers, or someone wants to guest post on your blog and the person gives you a link to add. So how do you do that? So let's see. Let's complete this. So how do you add the link? First of all, I say you highlight where you want to add the link. You see it, right? So we want to add the link here, isn't it? So we see that this B sign is what? To bolding it, right? I is for what? To italicize it. Now this other icon here, that's an hyphen in the middle, is to add the link. So let's click on it. So you see we can add our link here. Let's say you see, so you add whatever link. And this link we add is going to be within the read full post. That means you won't see the link, but when you click on the read full post, it will take you to this particular website. So once you are done, you click on enter. Then you click here where you see enter. Alright, you can see it. Read full post. Of course, we can. What about if you want it to be in the middle? As you can see right now, it's at the left hand side. I want this read full post to be in the middle. How do we do it? You long press on it again. Since you want the whole of this read full post to be in the middle. Now this, you can see the B button right here. Now the icon before the B button, you click on it. Okay, you can see right. When you click on it, you see align text left. That means you want the text to be at the left hand side. Align text center. That means you want to be at the right hand at the middle. Align text right. That means you want to be at the right hand side. So click on center because you want it to be in the center. You can see. Now, how about we bolding this full post? Let's bolding it. Alright, you can see it right. So this is basic formatting. Now once we are done with this basic formatting, now the next thing is to deal with the SEO. So we want to work on the SEO now. Now, depending on the SEO plugin you are using, if you are using the rank mat or any of the known plugins, of course the settings will look like this. But the SEO plugin we are using here now is a SEO Press. Why? It's because it's kind of it's discovered that it's easier, that beginner bloggers find it more easier to customize it. So it gives you everything you need without adding too much. You understand? So here we're going to write the meta description. Meta description is what will show up on Google after this post title. You know, when you search for something on Google, you see the post title, they will see something underneath. So this is what will show up on Google. Now the title, there's no need to add anything in this title box. That title added initially were to auto generate. You can decide to add if you want, but if you don't want, you can leave it. But this meta description is very important that you add something. And also, if you look at the percentage, you can see it's 100%. It should not be more than 100%. 100% is the recommended maximum you get your meta description should be. Of course, what I was talking about. So now when we publish this place where you see to get your Google snippet preview is where the post title will show up. Now you can see the description, right? So this is how it will show up on Google. Of course, we can enter our keywords here. It's optional, of course. I'll leave it at those two. So once you are done with this, now we need to add an image for this post. We need to attach an image to this post. We need to assign this post to a category. You guys, so where do you go? You can see this publish button, right? So you click, you can see after the publish button, you will see an icon just after that publish button. All right. So you click on that icon after the publish button. All right. So you click on post. Now this is your the post address. Of course, if you have more than one users, you can select another user. It's not compulsory that it must be the admin making any post. Can create an additional user with your own name. I think it's even better. So now you can see the categories here. So I want to assign this post to politics category. You understand? Then tags. The tags helps to find the related post easily. So if, for example, one of the tag of this post is children, so I want to write a tag. If it's children, so that's why children right here. You put comma after it. You see it. So now, if we have 10 posts about children, now if someone comes on our blog and finds a particular post on children interesting, all the person needs to do is to what? So click on the children tag, and every post that concerns children, the person will see it. So tags does what? Tags helps makes our posts, our content searchable and organized. Why keywords does the same things as tags. So like keywords is majorly for the purpose of search engines, then tags majorly for on-site. Understand? So let's leave it at one tag. The next thing we want to do is we want to add an image to this post. So you click on this set featured image. So I want to use this. Click on set featured image. Alright. Of course you can change it, you can remove it. Now for this excerpt, it's not compulsory. You can put something there, you can also decide to leave it. Then you can decide whether you want to allow comments, whether you want people to comment or not. If you don't want comments, you click on it. You can decide whether you want to allow a ping back or not. So that's it. So these are the basic formatting settings. Understand? So also you can schedule your posts. You can decide whether you want to publish it immediately. You can decide whether you want to publish it tomorrow. You can decide whether you want to publish it next month or even next year. All you have to do is just click on this immediately right here. So you can see you can set a new date. You can decide whether you want to publish it around 8 p.m. So it depends on you. But I want to publish this post immediately, so there's no need. So let's leave it at immediately. Also, you can decide whether you want the post to be visible to everybody. That public means this visibility here. Public means that anyone that accesses your blog will be able to see the post. If you want it to be if for example you are on a membership site, so you want that only person that are logged in should be able to see it, you can change it the option. That done, want to publish our post now, let's click on this times icon there at this right corner. Click on it. Alright, we are set to publish. Are we? So these are is basic formatting. There are others. To check out others, you can just come in here, click on this icon right here, so you can see all the formatting settings right here. So let's click on publish. Of course, you can choose to preview your post before you publish it. In order to make changes, click on preview. Then you can choose to save it. Maybe you don't want to publish it yet, and you don't want to schedule it late to publish later. You just click on this a cloud icon here. That is the one after the plus sign, the blue plus sign. So let's publish our post. Publish. Click on publish. So now this is just for you to be sure that you want to publish it now. So you just want to publish it. You click on publish. If you don't want to publish, click on cancel. If you don't want to be seeing these checks, you click this place. Others show pre-publish checks. Okay, so let's publish. Publishing. So it's published already. So after publishing, this is what you are going to see. Tell you that the post has been successfully published. You can try to copy the post link. You can try to view the post. You can try to add new post. So let's click on view post. Alright, you can see this is you can see politics here. That's the category. A story about easy and coffee. That's the title. Then the user. This is the image we added. So this is the format we did. You can see it right, isn't it? Bold. So this is the quote we did right there. Now this is the link. So you see tag children. So this is how you do what? You create and format a post. Let's go to our home page. So let's see how the home page looks like now. Alright, so you can see it, how to create a post. These are recent posts. So that's it. Hope you learned something. Of course, if you have some questions, leave it in the comment box. If you need us to do particular videos, let us know. And of course, please subscribe to this channel, like this video to go a long way to encourage us. Thank you for watching.